This was the easiest slay I have ever done in my life, y'all. Like, hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzy and I'm back on the track. Hey, so I decided to hop on the headband wig trend. I know y'all been seeing it like all over, and I know I'm always late to the party. Trying to get better with that. Yeah, we all know how that goes. So here now, we got a full little series going on and stuff, so I'll be dropping these soon for y'all. A whole bunch of other videos. Hopefully by the time this video comes up, you guys have seen the lookbook that I did. So now we doing some detailed, in-depth reviews of each unit, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into this wig review. If you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. Like I said, it is really easy to style these units, so I'm gonna show you guys how I styled it. I did style this one 2 different ways, just because I wasn't sure with how short she is and how like messy looking she is. I still am not quite sure if I'm feeling this one or not, but honestly, she's such a vibe though. She's real cute and soft and subtle, soft and supple girl. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look, and then we're gonna come back and talk about it.
I saw my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that bust in the back don't say nothing, them niggas are kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. Panic can't spit on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she just Jenner. I used to break in the hammer and take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I triple. Double my cup or a triple. Box on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Back of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take off landing on Nebula. As a net 20 M's on my schedule. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash. And the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass. And she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast. Jump in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek. I know that these niggas get sick of me. They chasing my neck cause I'm meal a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free. I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free. I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me. I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag. They get the bag cause they cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible talk. My dope got a vertical, look at it how. Skirt, 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 and it jump out the pot. Came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby. Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated. 2 bitches so fine that I masturbated. Congratulations. She bring me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it. I don't fuck with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby. I rap, but I own all my masters.
Alright y'all, so we back with this unit. So this unit is, this is called Outre Nikaya. This is Nikaya, you guys. I have her in the color 1 also. So this is a half wig, you guys. So I haven't really done too many half wigs on my channel, but like I said, this headband trend is popping and I could not pass it up. So this unit was like real cheap. It was like $15. So she's real cute. I will say she does have she doesn't have like a comb all the way around like some units do. She has 2 combs like right here and then a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. So it's just like a typical wig cap, a half wig construction. So I really like that. The fibers on her, she is real kinky, like almost like Nisha kind of vibes, like kinky synthetic hair. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's that kind of vibe. And she comes like when I got out of the box, and you can still see this spiral or whatever. She comes really tight spiraled or whatever. This was the easiest slay I have ever done in my life, y'all. Like, I didn't have to glue my lace, I didn't have to lay my lace, I didn't have to do all that. I did have to do, you know, my own baby hairs, just for the aesthetics and everything. But that's really all you have to do. Like, and then just pop this little headband on. I did get this headband from Amazon. I got like a little 20 pack or whatever, so that I can switch it up and stuff. So I got the 20 pack, so I'll definitely leave the link down below on where you guys can purchase this one. This little package deal that I got, it was like $12, so you can't go wrong with that. This definitely is a win in my book. Let me know if you guys would try a half wig this short. I'm definitely feeling the way that she's looking, and she's super cute. So let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. Yay or nay. This is definitely a synthetic slay, honey. So yes, check it out and let me know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching.